Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a quick look at the markets for today, Thursday, April 3rd. We have a really busy day coming up, starting at 8:30 GMT when we have PMI data coming out from the Eurozone, which could generate some volatility in the Euro and European stocks. At the same time, we also have Purchasing Managers Index, which is PMI for the United Kingdom, which could also generate some volatility in the pound and in British stocks. Half an hour later, we have a retail sales index from the Eurozone, last major data that coming out before the ECB policy meeting, which is at 11:45 GMT. A survey by Bloomberg of economists shows that the expectation is for the ECB to continue with its policy unchanged. 15 minutes later at 12 o'clock GMT, we have a press conference by the ECB President Mario Draghi. Investors are going to be taking a close look at this, which could generate some volatility over the next hour, which is usually how long this press conference lasts, looking for forward guidance from the ECB. Half an hour later, 12:30, we have weekly employment data from the United States. And then at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we have ISM non-manufacturing composite, which could actually have more of an impact on the markets than the manufacturing ISM that we had released on Tuesday. Going over to the markets, the S&P 500 yesterday continued to higher by 0.3% and reached a new record high once again. The optimism continued during the Asian session, with Asian markets going up again for the 7th consecutive day, the largest upward streak so far this year. This was also after there were stimulus measures implemented by the Chinese government. But at the moment, going into the session today, S&P 500 futures are trading neutral, pretty much flat, which is to be expected leading into a busy day like this when we're expected to have significant volatility due to major events on the economic calendar. The euro continues within its range of support at 137.40 and resistance at 138.40. However, we have key economic data coming out from the euro that could push it beyond those levels. On the downside, we could be reaching 136.50 in support, and on the upside, 139. The pound has also been continuing within its range of 166 to 166.80. However, it's at the very close, just a hair above 166 at the moment. If it were to break through that, it would be heading towards the bottom of this long-term trend line, which is at 165.40 at the moment. And the yen, the dollar-yen pair pushed above resistance, at 103.75, which is now turned into support, but it's been encountering some significant headwinds at the moment, and it might come back through and reach for the next level of support, which is at 103.40. However, if it were to continue its move on the upside, resistance is at 104.75. And finally, we have gold, which, as we've been anticipating, began a short correction here yesterday, moved on the upside. RSI still showing that gold is still oversold, so we might have this correction might continue over the next couple of days towards 1,310, or it might break through this preliminary support level as it continues towards 1,265. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.